Mickey Mouse and Pluto had just served up the barbecue food and were just starting to eat the food. Pluto was really excited at this point, when all of a sudden Mickey looks up to the top of the camper van and realizes the barbecue is way too close. So the camper van is caught on fire. So Mickey moves out of the way, Pluto moves out of the way, and Mickey said, "What are we going to do, Pluto?" And as you can see, the fire is spread to the top of the camper van. So Mickey said, "Right, I'll have to phone Fireman Sam and Peppa Pig. It's the only option I got. I can't put this out myself." So once he's phoned Peppa Pig and Fireman Sam, Peppa Pig rushed to the scene. "Pluto, move out of the way, boy." So Pluto jumps out of the way of the fire engine. Here's Peppa Pig and Fireman Sam in the fire engine. With a helping hand, the table's moved out of the way. So Fireman Sam needs to get out to the fire engine to assess the situation, because the fire can spread really quick if they're not quick enough. So Fireman Sam gets out and says, "Right, Peppa, you're going to have to position the ladder so I can get up and put the fire out myself. Thanks for calling us, Mickey." Mickey said, "I'm just really happy to see you guys." So Peppa Pig puts the ladder to the right angle and Fireman Sam goes up. So he's put one fire out. "Right, Peppa Pig, come on, let's do it. There's two more to do." So Peppa Pig positions the ladder for Fireman Sam so he can get the second fire. She puts the second fire out. "Right, just one more now, Peppa," said Fireman Sam. "You can do this." So Fireman Sam puts the last fire out and said, "Great job, Peppa. Your positioning was perfect." So Fireman Sam jumps down off a ladder. Peppa Pig then parks the fire engine up. There's still a little, you can see the fire on the floor now, so we need to clean that up. So with a helping hand, the fire is cleaned up. Pluto was really thankful that Fireman Sam and Peppa Pig came to the rescue today. And Peppa said, "Mickey, you put the barbecue way too close to the camper van this time." And Mickey said, "I know, guys, I'm really sorry. I didn't think about the camper van catching fire like that." And Fireman Sam said, "It's all just a learning curve." So Mickey said, "Come on, guys, we've still got the food from the barbecue. Shall we eat it?" And Fireman Sam said, "That'd be great." So everyone finished the barbecue.